Something extremely unusual has just been confirmed by multiple space observatories. And it challenges everything we think we know about how objects behave in deep space. An interstellar object known as 3IATLAS has undergone a fragmentation event unlike anything ever documented. This was not a slow breakup. It was not chaotic. And it was not random. In a matter of seconds, one object became 12, and each fragment is now traveling on a separate trajectory, aligned with different regions of Earth. This alone would be extraordinary. But as the data continues to arrive, the situation becomes far more difficult to explain. To understand why scientists are taking this event so seriously, we first need to understand what 3IATLAS actually is. 3IATLAS was detected in late 2024 by an automated survey telescope. Almost immediately, astronomers noticed something unusual about its motion. Its trajectory was hyperbolic, meaning it did not originate within our solar system. It came from interstellar space, the vast region between stars. Only 2 confirmed interstellar objects had ever been observed before this one. But from the beginning, 3IATLAS behaved differently. Its velocity was unusually high. Its chemical signature did not match known comets, and radar observations suggested an elongated structure with unusual surface reflectivity. For more than a year, scientists monitored it closely, expecting anomalies. What they did not expect was what happened next. On December 29th, tracking stations detected a sudden and dramatic change. The signal from 3IATLAS did not fade. It did not distort. It split. Within seconds, 12 separate objects appeared where only one had existed before. This was not a gradual disintegration. It was a rapid, coordinated event that unfolded in less than half a minute. Even more unusual, the fragments did not scatter randomly through space. Each one separated at a precise angle, forming a geometric pattern that immediately caught the attention of orbital dynamicists. This is not how natural fragmentation behaves. When comets break apart, the results are chaotic. Fragments vary in size, speed, and direction. That is not what we are seeing here. All 12 fragments of 3IATLAS are nearly identical in size. Their separation velocities match with extraordinary precision, and their trajectories are structured, not random. Trajectory modeling shows that each fragment intersects Earth's orbital region at different geographic zones across the planet. Not impact paths, but approach corridors. The statistical probability of this happening by chance is extraordinarily small. Multiple independent space agencies verified the same conclusion. The behavior does not match any known natural model. As tracking continued, another anomaly appeared. Several fragments began exhibiting non-gravitational acceleration. In space, motion is predictable. Gravity governs everything. But these objects were making subtle adjustments, correcting their paths after disturbances caused by planetary gravity and solar wind. No gas emissions were detected. No dust jets, no visible propulsion of any kind, yet the corrections were real. Rocks do not adjust their trajectory. Debris does not respond to environmental changes with precision. Something was maintaining alignment. Then came the most unexpected observation of all. Radio telescopes detected active emissions coming from the fragments. Not reflected signals, but generated ones. Initially, the frequency matched the hydrogen line, a well-known cosmic reference used in astronomical research. But hours later, one fragment changed. It began emitting a structured signal at a frequency commonly used in human technology. A frequency not associated with natural astrophysical processes. Within hours, the remaining fragments synchronized with it. 12 separate objects, millions of kilometers apart, emitting coordinated, repeating signals. This was not noise. It displayed characteristics of communication. Major observatories redirected their instruments. Emergency scientific sessions were convened. Internal briefings took place. The language used in official documents was careful but unmistakable. Non-natural behavior, unknown origin, active guidance cannot be ruled out. These are not phrases used lightly in scientific reporting. As of now, the fragments remain on approach trajectories. They are still accelerating, they are still transmitting, and they are still perfectly coordinated, which leaves only one question: what happens when they arrive? If these objects are probes, then Earth is being studied. If they are delivery systems, then something is being distributed globally. And if they are neither, then we are facing a phenomenon entirely beyond our current understanding. There is no neutral explanation left. The observations are verified, the data is consistent, and the timeline is fixed. In the coming weeks, we will learn whether this event reshapes our understanding of physics, or our understanding of our place in the universe. For now, the fragments continue their silent approach, and the mystery remains unresolved.